If you find yourself yawning constantly even after a full night of sleep, your body is not bored, it is trying to cool your brain down. Your brain works like a computer, and just like a computer it overheats when it is working too hard. Yawning pulls in a rush of cool air that lowers your brain temperature and helps it function better. This is why you yawn more when you are stressed or mentally overloaded, not just when you are sleepy. Another reason is low oxygen levels. If you are in a stuffy room or breathing too shallow, your brain triggers yawning to bring in more oxygen and reset your breathing pattern. Also, dehydration causes more frequent yawning because your brain tissue needs water to stay at the right temperature. The fix: get some fresh air, drink water, and take a few deep, slow breaths. Your brain is not lazy, it is just asking for a reset. Follow for more